The cooler weather is here, and having our meals at home flowing along with the seasons gives them such a special vibe. So I've rounded up a few simple and speedy recipes that you can do in just a few minutes. These are perfect for a cozy, intimate meal at home or for when you want something exciting for entertaining. So let's get started. Fresh pears herald the arrival of fall. And if you're preparing a special meal sometime this autumn, this salad has minimal ingredients but has maximum visual impact. First, we're going to prepare our salad, and I've got some mixed greens here, but you can use whatever kind you like. I'm making a simple dressing of some olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, some salt, and pepper. Dress the salad, give it a quick toss, and set it aside for a moment. And here we've got some beautiful fall pears, and you want to make sure that they're ripe but still nice and firm. Just cut off the base so that they'll be able to stand up. Now cut the pear into a couple of sections. 2 slices is about right. Then use the pointed end of your knife to cut out any visible seeds. Plate some of the salad and the pear and use a little bit of lemon juice to keep it from turning brown. Layer with more greens and some pumpkin seeds and repeat. Adding some dried cranberries will give this dish some nice color, texture, and flavor. One of the things I love about this salad is you can make it a few hours ahead of time. Just plate it up, cover it, and put it in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. This makes an impressive first course for dinner, or you can serve it up with some nice cheeses for a light lunch. This next dish is a party magnet. If you want something really easy to put together but looks incredible, this is a perfect choice. We're gonna take some Boursin cheese that you can pick up at pretty much any grocery store, and we're gonna make an amazing topping for it that is out of this world. This comes together in about 1 minute, and when you put it on the table to serve it, it lasts about as long. Just take the cheese and place it on your serving plate. Next, take some roasted salted almonds and give them a quick chop. And do the same with a few dried apricots. Then take some honey and drizzle the whole thing with it. Sprinkle some fresh chives or parsley if you have it. And lastly, top with a few shakes of pepper. Serve it up with some nice fresh bread or crackers for an eye-catching and scrumptious dish. This leveled up Boursin cheese is absolutely delicious, and there's this beautiful juxtaposition of flavors with the crunchy almond and the bit of pepper with the apricot. Absolutely spectacular. This will not last long. You can also make this dish a few hours ahead of time and keep it in the fridge. When you're ready to serve it, just take it out and set it out at room temperature for 30 minutes to allow the honey and the cheese to soften. In our Italian family, we often enjoy fagiolini, or green beans, as a side dish. But sometimes when we're preparing meals, particularly holiday meals, the real estate on the top of the stove and in the oven is at a premium. So this recipe only takes 5 minutes of prep time, and we're gonna let the slow cooker do all the work in this delicious green bean side dish. First, we're gonna chop up 2 or 3 nice cloves of garlic. Next, in the slow cooker, we're going to put in our green beans, and you don't need to be exact with this recipe. Just put in as many green beans as you need for the number of people you're serving. A pinch of salt, some pepper, the garlic we chopped up, and 1 cup of chicken broth. And that's it. Just cook it on low for about 3 to 3.5 hours. When they're done, just pull them out and top with some Pecorino cheese, drizzle some parsley and a bit of olive oil, and you have an easy and healthy side. Now you'll want to be careful not to overcook the green beans. They'll only need about 3 or 3.5 hours in the slow cooker, and you'll want to keep an eye on them to make sure that they're still crisp. Now that fall is here and we have special holidays coming up like Thanksgiving and Christmas, sometimes that time can get a little bit hectic. So I love to share just simple, easy recipes with you you to make those times go a little bit smoother, or maybe you just want something special for when you're cozy at home, but you want something simple that doesn't require a lot of work. I really do enjoy sharing tips with you to make your home and your life better. Take care, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.